Just pulled the header pipe off the Yamaha. It's not too hard to get to, just a couple of bolts. And just checking out this thing, because I think this might be where the noise is coming from, and have a go at this. Looks like they've just sleeved this part on and potentially cut the original header pipe down for whatever reason. Probably had rust in it, so gonna see if we can get a clamp. It'll go over here and then onto the back section as well. Yeah, making progress, I guess. Yeah. All right, just looking closer at the exhaust. Looks like this is another just sleeved on bit here, so pop that off and have a look at what we're actually dealing with, I guess. Well, you can see from the test fit back on the bike, seems to be a fair section of exhaust missing, I guess. Okay, let's talk through some other things that we found that I thought might be problematic. The seat, as you can see, ripped all down one side. That's definitely a non-pass scenario when you're trying to get them back on the road. But it turns out that this seat lifts up, I'll show you that soon, but also it was bolted in by these two bolts, and you can slide the whole thing out. And you can see the rest of the seat is actually in pretty good nick. So if we can either find a replacement part for this, or otherwise might have to just get another cover and rebuild the foam in it, we should be able to solve that problem, which is pretty good. Okay, so for the seat, I was actually looking because it felt like you could actually lift it from here, but as you can see, I'm like, nah, there's no latches or anything on the outside of here. So I downloaded a parts manual, and it turns out that this key, you actually go back, and you probably heard that click, and then check this out. You can actually get in under here, bit of storage. You're gonna have to clean that out obviously, but you can actually get under the seat. So that was a bit of a surprise, but shows that it pays to download the manual sometimes, I guess. All right, lastly, well, for now, lastly anyway, took the battery cover off, and then as you can see, the positive doesn't look too bad. It's just held in by an Allen key bolt, but the the negative over here, she's a bit rough. So it looks like what they've actually done is just got some conductive material and just tied through the top of it. I'll pull that out at some point and just check why they've done that, whether it's just the terminal block's actually missing something or whether it's actually a problem with the wiring. But again, it's not affecting the bike starting, it's just when you go to get a blue slip, if they do check that, that's something that'll probably flail it as well. So yeah, making a little bit of progress. Just got some things to sort out, obviously. So if this video has been fun, or you like following along what we're doing, just make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the next videos are coming out, and you'll follow along the process. Cheers.